Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Penelope TF320 in color code 28F. It's a shiny rose gold Havana color frame. There's a Tom Ford logo engraved on the top left lens. It has a gold detailing. And also has a Tom Ford logo at the tip of the temple in gold for both sides. On the back, it will tell you that the frame is made in Italy. And this is the serial number. The lenses are a brown gradient color. Up here, we have the Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.